If you have decided to participate in the ACMX written exam HPE6-A48, Passquestion is here. We can help you achieve your goals. We know that you need to pass your HPE6-A48 exam. We promise that provide high-quality HPE6-A48 practice test questions for you, which can help you through HPE6-A48 Aruba Certified Mobility Expert 8 written exam. Question 1. A bank deploys an Aruba Mobility Master Mobility Controller MC solution to provide wireless access for users that run different applications on their laptops, including SIP-based IP telephony. When users only run the IP telephony software, call quality is high. However, if users also run email, web, or mission-critical applications, then voice quality drops. Which feature would help improve the quality of voice calls over the air when users run different applications? A. DSCP for IPv4 traffic. B. Wi-Fi multimedia. C. Type of service. D. High-low queue. Answer, A. Question 2. A network administrator implements a SIP-based IP telephone solution. The objective is to ensure that APs use 100% of their airtime for network access whenever a voice call is taking place, to minimize communication delays. The network administrator also wants to ensure that a log entry is generated when voice calls occur. Which setup accomplishes these tasks? A. IP access list session voice. User any SVCRTSP permit log queue high. User any SVC SIP UDP permit log queue high. B. IP access list session voice. User any SVCRTSP permit disable scanning log. User any SVC SIP UDP permit disable scanning log. C. IP access list session voice. User any SVCRTSP permit log.1p priority 7. User any SVC SIP UDP permit log.1p priority 7. D. IP access list session voice. User any SVCRTSP permit log TOS 56. User any SVC SIP UDP permit log TOS 56. Answer, B. Question 3. Company 1 and Company 2 are medium-sized companies that collaborate in a joint venture. Each company owns a building, and each has their own Aruba OS 8 Mobility Master Mobility Controller MC deployment. The buildings are located in front of one another. For the initial stage of the project, the companies want to interconnect their networks with fiber, and broadcast each other's SSIDs. These are the requirements. Do not unify the company's network management responsibilities. Allow each company to take care of their own SSID setups when broadcasted in the other building. Terminate Company 1 user traffic on Company 1 MCs when they connect to Company 2 APs. Terminate Company 2 user traffic on Company 2 MCs when they connect to Company 1 APs. What is needed to meet the solution requirements? A. Multi-zone APs. B. Inter-MCS2S IPsec tunnels. C. Multi-MC clusters. D. Inter-MC GRE tunnels. Answer, B. Question 4. A network administrator deploys Airwave over a mobility master mobility controller MC network to monitor, audit, and report activities. The main areas of concern are with high user density, not enough APs, or not enough channel bandwidth. Which two report options can the network administrator use to create a weekly report that shows networking equipment with more users and high-demand applications used by top talkers? Select 2. A. Most utilized folders by maximum concurrent clients. B. Most utilized by usage. C. Top applications summary. D. Most utilized by maximum concurrent clients. E. Top 3 applications for top 10 users. Answer, B. D. Question 5. Several users are connected to the same WLAN and want to play the same multicast-based video stream. The network administrator wants to reduce bandwidth consumption and at the same time increase the transmit rate to a fixed value for WMM-marked video streams in a large-scale network. Broadcast Multicast Optimization (BCMCO) is already on. Which two configuration steps does the network administrator have to perform to optimize the multicast transmissions? Select 2. A. Enable Dynamic Multicast Optimization (DMO) and set forwarding mode to tunnel in the VAP profile. B. Enable Broadcast Multicast Rate Optimization (BC per megacoulomb RO) in the SSID profile. C. Enable Broadcast Multicast Optimization (BCMCO) and set forwarding mode in the VAP. D. Disable Broadcast Multicast Optimization (BCMCO) in the VLAN. E. Set Video Multicast Rate Optimization (VMRO) in the SSID profile. Answer, A. C. Question 6. An organization owns a fully functional multi-controller Aruba network with a virtual mobility master (VMM) in VLAN 20. They have asked a network consultant to deploy a redundant on a different server. The solution must offer the lowest convergence time and require no human interaction in case of failure. The servers host other virtual machines and are connected to different switches that implement ACLs to protect them. The organization grants the network consultant access to the servers only, and appoints a network administrator to assist with the deployment. What must the network administrator do so the network consultant can successfully deploy the solution? Select 3. A. Reserve one IP address for the SecNM and another IP address for its gateway. B. Configure an ACL entry that permits IP protocol 50, UDP port 500, and multicast IP 224.0.0.18. C. Allocate VLAN 20 to the second server, and extend it throughout the switches. D. Reserve one IP address for the SecNM and another for the VIP. E. Configure an ACL entry that permits UDP 500, UDP 4500, and multicast IP 224.0.0.1. F. Allocate another VLAN to the second server, and permit routing between them. Answer, ACE. Question 7. A company has headquarters based in the U.S. and rents international office space in Mexico City so that 10 employees can work remotely. The company must implement a remote access technology so branch office employees can access all servers at the headquarters. The office has both wired and wireless Internet connectivity, with no restrictions on what device connects to the network. However, ports UDP 4500, 5060, and 5061 are blocked by the perimeter firewall. Which remote access technology is required to allow employees to access the servers at the headquarters? A. BOC with caps. B. IAPVPN. C. RAP. D. VIA. Answer, C. Question 8. A company currently offers guest access with an open SSID and no authentication. A network administrator needs to integrate a web login page for visitors. To accomplish this integration, the network administrator fully deploys a guest solution with self-registration in ClearPass, and defines the Mobility Controller (MC) as a Radius client. Then, the network administrator defines ClearPass as a Radius server and adds it into a server group in the MC. Which two actions must the network administrator do next on the MC side to complete the deployment? Select 2. A. Associate the captive portal profile to the initial role. B. Define the web login URL and server group in a captive portal profile. C. Associate the captive portal profile to the VAP profile. D. Associate the captive portal to an AAA profile. E. Define the web login URL in a captive portal profile and the server group in an AAA profile. Answer, B. D. Question 9. A network administrator assists with the migration of a WLAN from a third-party vendor to Aruba in different locations throughout the country. In order to manage the solution from a central point, the network administrator decides to deploy redundant mobility masters (MMs) in a data center that are reachable through the Internet. Since not all locations own public IP addresses, the security team is not able to configure strict firewall policies at the data center without disrupting some to Mobility Controller (MC) communications. They are also concerned about exposing the MMs to unauthorized inbound connection attempts. What should the network administrator do to ensure the solution is functional and secure? A. Deploy an MC at the data center as a VPN concentrator. B. Block all ports to the MMs except UDP 500 and 4500. C. Install a PEFV license, and configure firewall policies that protect the IM. D. Block all inbound connections, and instruct the IM to initiate the connection to the MCs. Answer, C.